These individual signalized intersections here don't exist in a vacuum on their own. What happens at one is going to affect the other one, and sometimes many miles down the road. Hello, I'm Joseph Turner, Traffic Operations Engineer for MoDOT's Northwest District in Highway Safety and Traffic. When you have a string of signalized intersections along a busy commercial boulevard, there's two objectives we need to try to achieve during the busy hours of the day. One, it is more ideal to be able to get a bulk of traffic through multiple green lights in a row as much as we can. The purpose of that is it's a more efficient way to travel. It reduces the chance of a collision because you have fewer instances where you are coming to a stop at a red light. The other component to traffic signal coordination is clearing out those sections of the boulevard in between signalized intersections so that those drivers and people that are wanting to get in and out of a business entrance, for example, they have a reoccurring period of clearance where the road is empty because we have utilized the synchronization or coordination of signals to stop the flow of traffic and get it out of a particular segment of road so that those out of the fast food restaurants and the other businesses can have an opportunity to get in and out without much interference. And the advantage of that is it makes the overall route safer for everybody because it reduces that frustration of having to try to dart in and out of traffic just to get in and out of a driveway, for example, or a business entrance. We want to get traffic through, get them cleared out so that other people can get in and out with minimal obstruction and interference as possible. It makes it safer for everybody. In context of a corridor or a boulevard like the Belt Highway here, it is not simply a matter of just timing and giving a green light. Each and every one of these signals during the busy parts of the day when traffic is trying to get from one part of the belt to the other, they are basically working in conjunction with each other through the programming that we put into them. Every one of these signals knows what it should be giving green light to at any given moment every cycle, and that of course is on a repeating basis all day long. And again, number two, to get the segments of the Belt Highway in between signals cleared out so that those that are not waiting at a signal can get in and out of these business entrances, for example. So, well, that's the key word. It's management and operations. This whole corridor or boulevard is a transportation system, and these individual signalized intersections here don't exist in a vacuum on their own. What happens at one is going to affect the other one, and sometimes many miles down the road.
Traffic signal coordination is the fundamental strategy of TSMO that adjusts the timing of signals to allow traffic to flow through that corridor. By coordinating the signals here on the Belt Highway in St. Joseph, it has allowed more efficient traffic flow and improved the safety by minimizing the number of times traffic has to stop for a red light.